Yeah. A wrestler or not. Yeah. Like a Ethiopian. And me around the marathon. Say like a Ethiopian. How we are win the marathon. Just like a Kenyan. Say we are win the marathon. A Ethiopian. Call Ethiopia there.
What me tell them run. Ethiopian run. Run. Marathon time run. Run. Ethiopian run. Run. Don't me tell them run. Run. Ethiopian run.
So my energy pure, powerful and restore. And me call back my focus on creativity, just like the Moors, like the African seas and the shores. Pon the riverside at the floor. Cool from my chest, still I give them more. Free from energy we don't line with me. That's why me hail the power of the tree. Tree in a one, you see the one in a tree. Emmanuel, Marcus and King Selassie. Mother had the hurt, well me can't forget she. Call Empress men and when me bathe in the sea. Long time me trust myself completely. Ethiopian run. Ethiopian run. Marathon run. Ethiopian run. Run. African girl run. Kenya girls run. Run. Ethiopian run. Mother had the hurt run. Fire in the hole. Have we tell them of the ancient school of the other half that haven't been told. Me have a reset button for me soul. Some of we get shot in them out. And the secret energy that flows through me, like when me beat in a bingy drum and set your soul free. Of the ancient sea. Me just run anything we do align with me and my energy. I me nah go make them kill me like Biggie and Tupac Machiavelli. I me can't explain myself, me align myself with good energy. Like when me bun me chalice by myself, yeah. I me beat the pum by myself. Me no want see nobody else. From me a baby in a manger. See the lion not no link with stranger. Marathon run, Ethiopian run. Marathon run, Ethiopian run. Kenya run, African run, Ethiopian run.